Hello, welcome to Sligo Global Kitchen Cooking Lesson. My name is Sidonie. Today I want to show you how to make one of our favorite dish in Cameroon. These are the ingredients we are going to use to make our dish. We have fish, sea bass. We have dried plantain. This is the plantain. It's like banana, but it's not banana. You can have it in any Asian shop. Olive oil, chili. It's optional for those who eat chili, but those who don't eat chili, they can just use the green vegetable for their fish. Black pepper, white pepper, leek, celery, spring onion, basil, garlic, ginger, red onion, white onion, seasoning, and basil. For my starters, I want to make one of our Cameroonian favorite snacks called puff puff. It's like a savory donut. For the ingredients, we have self-raising flour. You can also use plain flour. We have egg. We have brown sugar. You can use white sugar. We have salt. We have lemon juice. We have vanilla essence.
Open my eyes and I can see. Open my ears and let me hear. Open my mouth and I will speak. Yassi, yassi. Open my eyes and I will see. Open my ears and let me hear. Open my mouth and I will speak. Yassi, yassi.
These spices are for seasoning the fish.
Shut down out of fear. I don't know what's out there. This is mine, it's all I care. What I don't know, I fear. How do I listen? He and speak. It looks lonely up at the peak. Abre mi ojos si podré ver. Ouvre des esprits noirs et amers. Abre mi oídos si podré oír. Ni gun shung shong zung foi. Abre mi boca y podré tecer. Kitch vidi vung pa deser. Yassi yassi aka mama yai. Yassi yadung la wa mama jwe. Yassi yadung wa mama tani. Yassi yassi aka mama yai. Yassi yadung la wa mama jwe. Yassi yadung wa mama tani.
This is the end of our cooking lesson. Today I made for the starters, puff puff, salad and some bread. And now for the main course we have fried plantain, roasted sea bass, green vegetable, chili and balsamic sauce for the salad. For the dessert we have a variety of fruit which is very healthy, more than ice cream. Thank you for watching my cooking lesson and I hope you learn a new recipe. Thank you for Sligo Leader Partnership who helped us to found this cooking lesson. It's time to eat now. See you next time. Bye bye.